Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Discover powerful agricultural machines like the Pist Bully 100E and K-Tech Scraper Rockback, boosting efficiency and transforming farming. Stay tuned for the latest in agri-tech. RT14R from Terramac is a versatile rubber track crawler carrier designed for rough terrains. Its robust build makes it ideal for transporting heavy equipment and materials in agriculture, construction, and other industries. The RT14R features a powerful engine, advanced hydraulic systems, and superior traction, enabling it to maneuver in challenging environments while ensuring stability and efficiency during operation. The Super Dump Kenworth T800 is a heavy-duty truck designed for hauling large loads in agriculture and construction. It features an advanced dump system, allowing for increased payload capacity and efficient unloading, making it ideal for transporting soil, gravel, and other materials. The Braca P22.B is a forest and agriculture machine used for efficient planting and soil preparation. It features a specialized design for precise planting of trees and crops, with an effective hydraulic system that ensures stability and uniformity in challenging terrains. The Fast 2K is an advanced seed planter used in agriculture for efficient planting of seeds. It ensures precise seed placement with its high-tech system, allowing for uniform depth and spacing. The machine is designed for quick operation, reducing labor time and enhancing productivity, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. Its robust design ensures durability and reliability in the field. The West Boondelsage firewood saw is a powerful machine used in agriculture and forestry for cutting firewood. It features a robust engine and a sharp, durable saw blade, allowing for efficient and precise cutting of logs into manageable pieces. The machine is designed for easy operation, reducing manual labor and improving productivity, especially in large-scale wood-cutting tasks. The Larrington Chaser self-driving truck is an innovative agricultural machine designed for efficient crop harvesting. It features autonomous driving technology, allowing it to transport harvested crops from the field to storage or processing areas without manual operation. The truck is equipped with advanced sensors and GPS systems to navigate and operate safely, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs in large farming operations. The Himac loader attachments are versatile farming tools designed to enhance the efficiency of loaders. These attachments include bucket, grapple, and auger options, enabling tasks such as lifting, digging, and material handling. They improve productivity in agriculture by adapting to various operations. The BRE Centurion is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and crop cultivation. With its powerful engine and durable construction, it performs tasks like tilling, plowing, and planting, improving productivity and ensuring precise, consistent results for large-scale farming operations. The Manson 300 is a highly efficient material handling machine used in agriculture and forestry. It features a powerful hydraulic system and a versatile boom arm, allowing for precise loading, unloading, and transportation of materials like logs, crops, and soil. Its advanced design ensures excellent stability and productivity in tough terrains. The Baling stone spreader is an agricultural machine used for evenly spreading stones and gravel on fields. It ensures precise distribution, improving soil quality and preparation for planting, enhancing efficiency in land management. The slip-form paver is an essential machine used in agriculture for creating smooth, even concrete surfaces, particularly in fields and farm roads. It uses a continuous, slip-forming process to pave without requiring forms or molds. The machine is highly efficient for large-scale paving projects, ensuring high-quality, durable surfaces for agricultural infrastructure. The UDS 232 wheel chassis is a versatile agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty transport. It features a durable wheel chassis, ideal for moving equipment and materials across fields. Its robust design and powerful engine ensure stability and efficiency, making it perfect for large-scale farming operations. The Stjadivit EW25M one-man chassis is a robust agricultural machine designed for transporting heavy loads across challenging terrains. It features a durable man chassis, providing stability and high performance. Ideal for large-scale farming operations, it is used to transport equipment, tools, and materials efficiently, improving overall farm productivity. The CBI Magnum Force 5800 is a powerful horizontal grinder used in agriculture for processing wood, crop residue, and other organic materials. Equipped with a high-capacity engine and durable components, it efficiently reduces large volumes of material into smaller, manageable sizes, enhancing productivity in biomass and waste management operations. The H4 Rocksgon is an innovative agricultural machine designed for removing rocks and stones from fields. It uses a high-efficiency hydraulic system to pick up and collect rocks of various sizes, improving soil quality and reducing damage to farm equipment. Ideal for preparing large agricultural areas, it ensures a smoother, safer planting process. The 250 SM Vario Quarry Harvester is a versatile machine used in agriculture for clearing and harvesting crops, especially in challenging terrains. It features a powerful engine and a specialized cutting system, allowing for efficient operation in fields with uneven surfaces. The machine's adjustable working width enhances productivity by adapting to different crop sizes and field conditions. The Matterhorn Gotthard Bahn is an agricultural machine designed for efficient transportation and logistics in farming operations. It is mainly used for moving heavy loads such as crops, equipment, and materials across challenging terrains. With a durable construction and powerful engine, it ensures stable, high-capacity transport, optimizing farm productivity, and reducing manual labor in large-scale agricultural operations. The Mansonen is a versatile material handling machine commonly used in agriculture and forestry. It features an efficient hydraulic system and powerful lifting capabilities, ideal for moving heavy loads like logs, crops, and soil. Its advanced design provides excellent stability and precision, making it a reliable choice for large-scale farming and land management operations. The Twin CAES 500 is a powerful agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and crop management. It features advanced technology for precise seedbed preparation, improving soil aeration and promoting healthy crop growth. With its durable construction and high-performance engine, the Twin CAES 500 is ideal for large-scale farming, enhancing productivity and reducing labor costs in the field. The XCMG electric dump truck is an eco-friendly machine designed for transporting heavy loads in agriculture and construction. Powered by electricity, it reduces emissions while offering high torque and efficiency. This dump truck is ideal for transporting soil, gravel, and other materials, providing a sustainable solution for large-scale farming and infrastructure projects. Its advanced design ensures reliability and performance. The Bison EH/W200 is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for efficient material handling and fieldwork. It features a powerful engine and hydraulic system, making it ideal for tasks like transporting and lifting heavy loads, including soil, crops, and equipment. Its durable construction and versatility enhance productivity, making it perfect for large-scale farming operations in challenging terrains. The Jumbo Master Vandeel is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficiently handling and transporting large volumes of materials. With its powerful engine and specialized design, it is ideal for tasks like moving crops, soil, and heavy equipment. Its robust construction ensures durability, while its versatile functionality makes it a valuable asset for large-scale farming operations, improving productivity and efficiency. The Hyson HY380 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient digging, planting, and material handling. Powered by a robust engine, it offers excellent maneuverability and stability in rough terrains. Its hydraulic system ensures precise control, making it ideal for tasks like land preparation, crop planting, and transporting heavy materials, enhancing productivity in large-scale farming operations. Extra-long road trains are specialized agricultural transport vehicles designed for carrying large loads over long distances. These machines consist of multiple trailers, connected to a powerful tractor, allowing them to transport heavy equipment, machinery, and bulk materials efficiently. Their extended length provides greater load capacity, making them ideal for large-scale farming and agriculture logistics, ensuring timely deliveries across vast areas. The Forst Profi is a powerful, high-performance forestry machine used in agriculture for efficient wood processing. It is designed for tasks like cutting, splitting, and transporting logs. With its strong engine and durable construction, the Forst Profi ensures smooth operation in tough environments, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations and forestry work, enhancing productivity and reducing manual labor. The Soar-Wide Fork Support is an agricultural attachment designed to handle large, heavy loads such as bales and logs. Its wide fork design ensures better load stability and balance, making it ideal for efficient material handling and transportation on farms or in forestry operations. The Nemo-Track Pilosis Piaggio is an agricultural machine designed for cleaning and maintaining sandy or rough terrains. Equipped with tracks for stability, it efficiently removes debris and smooths the surface, making it ideal for land preparation, particularly in coastal or uneven agricultural areas. The K-Tech Scraper Rockback Tractor is an agricultural machine designed for efficient earth moving and land leveling. It features a powerful scraper attachment that helps in grading, clearing, and transporting soil across fields, improving land preparation and productivity for large-scale farming operations. The Slasher from Himac is an agricultural machine designed for mowing and clearing vegetation. It features a durable blade system that efficiently cuts through thick grass, weeds, and small shrubs, making it ideal for maintaining fields, roadsides, and pastures in large-scale farming operations.